Hey everyone and welcome. I'm Vikrant and today we will be discussing Salesforce Sales Cloud. What it is and why you should use it, how it can make your sales process more efficient, and I'll also show you how to utilize it live. So to keep it really simple, let's start with an example. Imagine your company is promoting a new product and planning an event. As a sales representative, you are responsible for tracking the details of the people who attended the event and are interested in the product. After the event, you end up with the contact details of 1000 people. They are having details such as names, states, phone numbers, emails, etc. You may have gathered this information manually through a registration form or with an event tool. Now, if you want to follow up with these people, your sales team will need to track how many of them were contacted, how many expressed interest, and the progress made. Let's say someone asks you to create a deal for one of these people, and then another person asks you to generate an invoice for them. It's a lot of work, right? And imagine trying to track all this information manually or using a variety of tools like Excel sheets, different CRMs, or separate software. But wouldn't it be great to have one system to handle all of this? Yes, that's where Salesforce Sales Cloud comes in. It provides a unified platform for managing the entire sales process, from leads to deals and beyond. Now that we know what Sales Cloud is, let's go live in Salesforce and walk through the sales process. But to understand the sales process, let's start with leads. Now, who are the leads? Well, in our example, remember the people who attended your event? They are the leads. A lead is someone who has shown interest in your product or service. Where can I see the leads? To see the leads, go to the Leads tab and select any record you want. In the record, you will see all the details such as name, state, phone number, email, lead source, and many more. Well, this is nice, but I would like to have one rating field to assess the lead's interest level. Is this possible? Of course, yes. You can add more custom fields as per your requirements. But let's say I would like to call this lead or send an email to this lead. How is it going to track? Well, in Salesforce, we have so-called activities. Emails, calls, etc. are activities in Salesforce. These can track all the activities you have done. To create an activity, it is quite simple. You just need to select any activity here, fill in the subject, add a description, and done. In the middle, like you can see here, these are lead stages. Now what is it? It shows you where the lead stands, whether they have been contacted, not contacted, etc. By default, these are provided by Salesforce, but you can customize these stages according to your business needs. And now finally, if you are happy with the lead and you call the person, you email the person and they want to buy your product, this is where you can convert the lead. Lead can be converted into an account, contact, and opportunity as an optional. This is where things get interesting. Let me explain. Before we move on and convert the lead, let's briefly understand what accounts and contacts are. In Salesforce, an account is a business or organization you are working with, and a contact is an individual from that account. Now let's keep it simple to understand. For example, let's say you are working with a company called Tech Solutions, and one of their employees, John, attended your event. Now, while converting the lead, the account would be Tech Solutions and John would be your contact. Now we understood what accounts and contacts are. Let's get back to the lead. Let's say this lead is ready to move forward. To convert a lead into an account and contact, you simply click on the convert button here. Salesforce will automatically create an account and contact for you, pulling in information like company name and contact details. If you want to create an opportunity, which is essentially the deal, we'll talk about this later, but you can select this option to create one. Opportunities help you track deals in the sales process, whether they are in the prospecting stage, negotiation, or closed. When you hit submit, the lead is converted into an account, contact, and opportunity in one go. Once the lead is converted, you can manage all the data related to that customer. To see the contacts associated with a particular account, you can go to the Accounts tab and view the related list of contacts. Here, you can see all the contacts associated with this account. You can also go to the Contacts tab to see all your contacts and manage them. Similarly, you can track deals in the opportunities tab. Deals are nothing but opportunities in Salesforce. Let's say you want to create an invoice for a specific opportunity. You can do this by creating a so-called code for the opportunity, also adding products in quotes, and generating an invoice if the customer is happy. Invoice is nothing but quotes in Salesforce. You can also track subscription details in contracts. Quotes, products, these are related to billing part of the sales process. Let's keep this for someday. That's nice. We can track the data. But Salesforce isn't just about tracking the information. What if you want to see data for multiple records? Sure, you can do that, but what if you don't want to open each record individually to view the details? That's where reports come in. Reports give you a comprehensive view of your data in one place. How do you create a report? Let's dive in and explore. To create a report, navigate to this reports tab. Here you can see all the available reports. To see all the reports, you click on all reports section. And here you go. But we would like to create a new report. How to do that? Well, you click on this new report button. And here it is asking to select the report type. Well, we have a lot of data, right? Different kind of categories. Leads, opportunities, cases, contacts, and many more. I would like to see report on leads. To create a report on lead, click on category leads and select the report type leads. Well, you can create your own custom report type as well. But for now, let's go ahead with this one. Click on leads and click start report. And here you go. You can see all the details available for this report type here. You can see first name, you can see last name, you can see title, company, and many more. But let's say you would like to remove this street column here. How would I do that? Well, to do that, you need to go here and click remove column street. It will remove that column for you. And again, let's say I would like to add that. Click on columns, select street or any column you want here. And here you go. Again, it will show up. So this is how you can add and remove the column. But what about, I would like to see the leads on the basis of lead source. You go here and add a group. This is called group. You are grouping by a lead source. So I'm typing source here, select lead source, and it will group accordingly. And here you can see the lead is coming from website. There are multiple sources available. Some of them are coming from websites, some of them from social media, some of them from cold call. So this is how you can use grouping here. But what about, I would like to see all those leads which are coming from website. How would you add the filter here? Do that, you go here on filter section and add a filter and type here source in our example. Click on lead source and I would like to see all the leads coming from website. I will go ahead and select website. Hit apply. You can see all the leads coming from website. If you are happy with this report, go ahead and save this report. To save the report, you have this button here. Click on it. Here, give a name. I'll give the name new leads report by source. And let's go ahead and save this report. And here you go. You just have created a new report. Well, that's nice. We have created a report. We can see the data. What if I would like to see multiple reports in one place and their data? Not only the data, I would like to see some cool charts available as well. I would like to see all this in a single view. And that's where dashboard comes in. To create a dashboard, you need to go to dashboards tab. Let's look the existing dashboard first. This is a Sales Rep simple dashboard by default. It was provided by Salesforce. Let's have a look at that. And here you can see all the data in one place in single view. As I said, not only the data, you can see all the cool charts available as well. This is a donut one, this is the gauge one, this is the bar one, and many more. How will I create a new one? Well, for that one, go to the dashboards tab again. And remember one point, in order to create a dashboard, you need to have reports first. It means dashboards utilizes reports only. So in order to create a dashboard, you need to create a report first. And then you can utilize all those reports in a dashboard. Well, that's enough theory. How would I do that? How will I create a new dashboard? To create a new dashboard, go here, click a new dashboard button. Let's say I give sales dashboard as a name, and I go ahead and click on create. Here you go, you have just created a new dashboard. But this is not looking nice at all, right? There is no data. Where is the data? For that, you need to go to widget button. Click on it. I'm interested in chart or table. Click on it. And here you can utilize all the reports. This is a recent tab, but you can switch to all reports section as well. And all the reports that you would like to have in your dashboard, select it. For now, I'm going ahead and selecting the report we just created. That is new leads report by source. The moment you click on the select button, it will ask for further details as well. What type of chart you would like to see here? By default, it is selected as this one, right? But let's say I would like to have this one. You click on it and here you go. So this is how it works. But what about I would like to see the data here? For that you have a lightning table. You click on it and it will show in the form of table. And further you can more customize that what type of columns you would like to see here, you would like to filter here or sorting, all kind of things you can do here. You can also set the limit that I would like to see only 10 data in the table, and then afterwards I would like to scroll. Okay, so this is how it works. And then finally, if you are happy with this one, you click on add. Easy. Let's say we would like to have some chart on the same report. I would like to see the data and I would like to have a chart as well. You go ahead and select again. You can select a report multiple times as well, no matter. But this time I would like to see the donut chart. Click on add and this is done. You can also increase the size of it. You can also decrease the size of it. Let's say I would like to increase the height of this one as well. You can do that. And once you are happy with this one, you click on done and save the dashboard. And this is a dashboard. You can see all the data and the chart in one single view. So there you have it. Sales Cloud brings everything together in one place, from lead management to reporting and dashboards. It makes it easy to track every stage of your sales process and helps you visualize the data you need to make informed decisions. And this is just the beginning. You can further automate processes, customize your sales flow, and do much more with Salesforce Sales Cloud. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. I hope you found it useful and that you are ready to start using Salesforce Sales Cloud in your own work.